हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू सीखो सीए स्टूडेंट।
In this video, we are going to learn Michael Porter's generic value chain. Value chain refers to all the activities that create and build value at every step. Thus, the total value added to the final product or service is the sum of the individual value added at every step. As per Michael Porter, value chain refers to the highest level model of how the business procures the raw materials, add value to the raw materials through various processes, sell the final products or services to the end users. Thus, value chain analysis is performed at every step of the business, with one goal of delivering maximum value from getting raw materials to end users. Michael Porter suggested that the activities in an organization should add value to the products and services, and all these activities should be done at optimum level. Then only the organization can achieve true competitive advantage. When these processes are run efficiently, the value delivered far exceeds the cost incurred in adding the value. This leads to customer satisfaction and encourage customers to do the business with the organization again and again and again and again. The following is the diagrammatic representation of Porter's value chain. As per Michael Porter, the activities within an organization should be split into primary and support activities as follows. Primary activities: inbound logistics. Procure the goods from the suppliers and use them in producing the end products. Operations. Raw materials and goods are manufactured into the final product. Value is added as the product moves through the production line during this process. Outbound logistics. It deals with the distribution of the finished goods to customers, distribution centers, retailers, and wholesalers. Marketing and sales. Establish the effective strategy using marketing mix to target the product to the appropriate consumer group. The competitive strategy is clearly communicated to the target group through the promotional mix. Services. Post sales, there will be support services in the form of sales training, guarantees, and warranties. Support activities. The infrastructure such as finance, legal structure, and management should be efficient to help the organization to realize its goals. If the infrastructure is inefficient, it will lead to bad reputation, fines, and sanctions. Human resources management. Recruit, train, and develop suitable personnel to run the business successfully. The employees should stay motivated and compensated as per the market value, if they should continue with the organization and add the value. Otherwise, they will leave the organization. Technology. Using the technology to gain competitive advantage. The technology is used in availability of the products on the internet so that the customers can access the firm 24/7. Cost reduction to create value addition. Develop new products through research and development. Production. Procurement. Sourcing the best quality raw materials at the best price and within budget. That covers the diagrammatic explanation of Michael Porter's generic value chain. Thanks for watching.
नमस्ते बच्चा लोग,